Okay, good day, guys. Today we're working on how to create a WordPress site. I'm working on you through how to create a full WordPress site, every step into take, and how to make your site look nice. Okay, so let's get down to business. Um, so first of all, we'll go over to now. First of all, you need to purchase a domain if you don't have one and a hosting plan. But now I'm using one that I already have, ifastnet.com. So now we'll be going over to our cPanel. If I go here, our cPanel. Now we are going to be using this the WordPress inside our cPanel. Now I'm adding the cPanel of Ifastnet. So I'll go to Softaculous. Now Softaculous. Okay, yeah. I'll click on WordPress. So I've already installed WordPress on my site, so I won't bother installing it again. You can see it's already installed on my site. If you've not installed it, you have to install one by just clicking this install button. But if I click it now, it will tell me that I've already installed WordPress. So now I'll just click. You can see installation was done 11th January. So I will just click on login as admin and take me to the WordPress site on Softaculous. Okay, so now this is our WordPress dashboard. These are WordPress dashboard as an admin. This is a dashboard. So let me see. We have updates. So that we've not updated this. So let's just do that because it's good to update WordPress the latest version so you can enjoy the WordPress and the features that it adds. So let's see. Um, I think it's loading. Okay, so we can see that WordPress has already been installed. It has been installed on the new version has been installed. That updates did not show again. Okay, now so first things first. Now we are inside our WordPress dashboard, and now we are inside our WordPress. So what I'm going to do now, if I go over to plugins, now I want to explain all this for you. Now plugins, this is where we have all our plugins. Plugins add more, let me say, content. They help us make our website look nice. They add features to our website that makes it look more dynamic and make it look more good for the eyes or something like that. Okay, so now we come here, you see the amount of users we have. For now, I'm only the only person. I'm only the admin. You can add a new user and give the person a particular role, add a new user, give the person a particular role, subscribers, editor, and administrator like you. We have settings, we have comments, and our pages. So now we're looking at this one after the other as we go into creating the site. We're looking at this one after the other. So let's work on it. Okay. So now, um, okay. So let's first of all want to see how the site looks in general. So now, first things first, we are going to install our plugins, and there are two. There's a particular plugin that helps our website look more attractive. And none of that plugin is a plugin that helps us make our site look more attractive. And none of that plugin is Elementary. It helps us edit and the drag and drop system of our website and make it look more nice. So we just install Elementary. So look at it here. So I'll just click on install Elementor website builder. It helps us create the drag and drop system. It helps us do that very well. So it's installed, click on activate to activate the plugin, and it's quite done. It's activated, it's active. So next thing, I'll go to my appearance. I want to choose a theme that I can use for my website. Now this is the default theme they give to us in WordPress, but this look more, let me say, outdated, and I don't like the way it's looking. So you can just click on this add new theme to add a new theme. So I'll click on the add new theme, and I'll add a new theme. I'll click here. Well, there's one theme that is mostly used by individuals, apart from Astra. There's one theme that is used that most people like, and the name of that theme is Ocean WP. So Ocean WP is one of the best themes that WordPress has, and it's very dynamic. So we're going to use Ocean WP. So I'll just click on install, details, install, is installing. So it's installing and I'll click on activate. And I'll click on activate. So now they'll tell me to install Ocean Extra, which is a plugin too. So I'll just install it. So we just wait for it to load. So Ocean Extra has been installed and activated. Say never miss any updates. Click on continue. And just keep for now. Okay. Now this is when inside our Ocean WP. If you see it now, because we installed Ocean WP, let's say dashboard added here. So this is Ocean WP dashboard. Now if you go to our website, remember our website was dxcodingweb/wp. So I'll just open it /wp. Okay, you can see that the WordPress blog, my blog, so and so, so and so, so and so, but there's nothing here right now. That's because we've not installed a demo site on our website. So now you see our blog is just empty. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go over to install demos on Ocean WP. Click on install demos. Click on install demos. Install demos over here. Now I'm going to scroll down. You see different demos of different sites to install. Different demo. If you're doing a blog, you can use a Maria. Different sites. So let's just choose one that looks good. So okay, let's go with let's see one that looks nice. This looks nice though. I think let's go with this photograph stuff here. So okay, we'll click on the import. So now it'll tell you install Ocean sharing. I'll say install now. Now, also, Ocean social sharing is a plugin that helps you share add your social links to your WP to your WordPress site. Now, WP Forms now is also a plugin that helps you, like if you're creating a contact page. Now, for you to be able to send emails, your email to be sent to a particular person or something like that, you have to install WP Forms. It's an easy drag and drop system that helps you integrate everything on your website for you. So just click on it, install, importing XML data, and we just wait, 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 and wait. It's done. Okay, if you can see now, the demo imported was successful. So you can just actually click here. Now, if we head over to our site and I reload the site, mm, mm, mm. Okay, now we see that the what is it called? The demo we installed was installed on our website. Now, if we check it, you can see that it has been installed for us. I think this is a portfolio website of a photographer. Okay, we can see now this is an easy thing. So now what WordPress helps us to do is just to edit. Now we can edit this and make it look more to our own taste if you want to. Okay, so if you check, it's on default, it's very responsive. On default, it's very responsive. That's what WordPress, one of the easiest thing that WordPress has brought for us. Now, why are you showing this header here? Is because we are logged into our dashboard. We are logged into our WordPress site. That's why I'm showing this header. So I can just click here to open. I think I'm going to open. Okay, that's on phone size. I think. Okay, on close menu, open menu. Wow, that's nice. So you can actually edit this now. Now remember, we installed something called Elementary. Now this Elementor helps us edit our site. Now let's go into Elementor. Site editing. On site editing, because I want to edit this site, my site. So I'll click on site editing. I want to change the details of some things on there on that platform too, and other things. Okay, now so now in one thing Elementor does is that it makes it easier to edit most things. Now see, I want to edit this I capture something, 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 something. So now in this Elementor, I can actually click on this. I can say I capture moments, happiness, emotions, the feelings. Can say delete this. Can actually come out here. Can say maybe, oh, I made a mistake. I pressed something. So I can say I don't want this image to be. So I click on the image, opens this. I can say choose image. I have not inserted any, so I'll click on select file. Let me see, it's my desktop. To look at the image here, I'll click on it, allow it to load, and put something something on alt. So see, the image has been changed. I can say I want it to be. I don't want the caption on it. I don't want a link. I want, if I can put a link that if they click on it, let it link to a particular position. But I don't want that for now. So I can say thumbnails. Reduce it small. You get. Okay, I can arrange it in the way I want. I say large, I can say ocean, I can say, sorry, I can say medium. So depending on the way I want it to look, as we I design it, depending on the way I want it to look. So for now, you can just leave that like this. You can say, okay, now this text I want to edit it. Say capture emotions. Let me reduce this the font a little. I'm reducing. So I can say I want to change this to maybe we delete this here. Can say I want to put recapture, and come down here. I'll remove this. I'll say capture moments and individuals. Sorry, individual lifestyle and reality. So you can say, okay, we want this. Let me see. We want this text, or let me use this image instead. We want it to link to somewhere. Custom URL. Once if the user click on this image, link to somewhere. Let me see. Let me see. Realict.org. I mean, IC.com. Let me see that's net. It's not a net. Okay, let me just link it somewhere good. Let me see. Wordpress.com. Let me copy this link. Wordpress.com. I can say I can paste the link in here and click on update. So it has updated what I've done. I can see for this learn more now. I can say okay, I don't want a learn more. The button leads to about section. I can change the section that it leads to. I can change the place, the positioning. I can make it center, I make it side, I can make it left, anywhere I want it to be. Text, learn more. I can say capture, capture. So now this is the logo. I can say I don't want this logo. I need a particular logo for the site. I can actually come here and I can create my own separate logo for this site. If I click on site settings, I'll see what is it? Site identity. You can see this logo now. It's named my blog. I'm not naming my. I'll play portfolio. My portfolio website. Site. So let me look for this logo. Let me look for this image. Okay, the particular image is on the site. Let me just use this So now if you check here, our five icon does not have anything there. So I can actually click here. Let me choose this media, this one here. Let me use it as our five icon. Insert media. So now you see we have a five icon. I'll just update it. Just now, if you check here too, you can actually update it. Professional photographer, and I'll say maybe web developer. Now based in Nigeria, streets. I can change all this. I can change the framing, change the logo. I can say I want to change this image, particular image here to one of my choice. Change all the featured images. Now change everything to anything I want. If I don't want this, I change it, remove it from each section. Can also add to it. I click on add. Can drag a widget. Let me say I want an image here, so I'll just drag this image into this position. Oh my, it is big. Oh. I'll put medium. Let me put medium. I did still big. Let me say thumbnails with 200. Put 50. Okay, so it not be too big. I say I want to put an image here. Can come now, choose an image. Maybe this is the image I want to insert. Nice that the image takes the whole of that space. General. Keep in touch. I can say now this keep in touch. Maybe I can add a particular thing. Okay, it's done. I can add a particular thing here. So now if you check this site now, if you check this site on the browser, let's check it again. Okay, let's check dx coding website slash wp admin slash wp. So now look at it, it's showing this, and okay, if you've not saved this, you've not saved this. Where am I? Featured gallery. And down to the ending. So we will not do anything about this. If you check the port, see if you check here, you see the name is, see the five icon I added, and this is the portfolio. You get, this is portfolio. So this is it. If I click on this, it reloads and takes you to wordpress.com, because that is where I pointed the link to. So it automatically links me to wordpress.com, and it's automatically one of the best things that's automatically what's it called, responsive. Now I can actually change all these things inside this place to a particular, to what I want it to look like, and change everything to what suits me depending on what I want. You get, so that's just the, that's just the first stage of WordPress. It's very easy to edit. That's one of the things. I just showed you the basics. Very easy to edit, very easy to manipulate and create web pages. Then